Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we help you simplify your smartphone experience with easy-to-follow guides. In this video, I will show you how to remove recording icon from Android phone to keep your screen clean and your calls private. So now let's get started. Step 1, grab your device and open the phone app, which is the standard dialer you use to make calls. You can usually find this icon on your home screen dock or inside the app drawer, and it is the starting point for all call management. Step 2, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the 3 dots icon or the gear icon depending on your model. This button opens the hidden menu that contains all your advanced calling tools and customization preferences. Step 3, from the list of options, select settings, or you can see auto call recording directly if your software allows it. This area is important because it controls how your phone handles incoming and outgoing audio data during a conversation. Step 4, tap the toggle button next to auto record calls to disable it and turn the feature off completely. Once this is switched off, the recording icon will no longer appear on your screen during active calls since the automated process is stopped. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful Android tips and tricks.